Kawangi weche mag tuke ni Allan Oyende jaloch tielo mar 17 mag tuke mag National Skrabol Masters Championship tuke manobagi Stima Club Buore Nairobi. Oyende notieko thuolo mokwongo tok wuok gi loch 14 ka oloyo mana tuke 6 kende duto manochoko godo points 499. Koyoko Benard gi Chis Kioma notieko thuolo mar 2 kod 3 kaka luore no. Moyo jotugo 20 noyore tukego ka tukego bende iko Kenya ne tuke mag pinje Afrika ma ochan higa ni dwe mar 10 e boma ma Monrovia e piny mar Liberia.
It's a combination of both the older players and younger players who are coming up the ranks. So we try and encourage younger players that for you to be in the Masters, you need to attain this rating of 1500. So they're working hard, and you can see in the field here, we have a couple of youngsters.
Trying to grow the game in terms of bringing in new people. Originally, this game has been played mostly by the old people. You know, unlike these other sports, Scrabble gives you that chance to play over a very long time. So if you start playing it early, then you have a very long time. You can play it even up to, we have people as old as 70 that are still playing.
They just have to be thorough in their games. They should not give up. Even when you are losing a game, you might spring up